Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to adjust the O Scope headband. So the headband comes with three different adjustments. One of them is at the back of the head. So this round knob, if you turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise, you can make it tight or loose around your head. The other one is to pull it up and down. So depending on where the optics come in, because they have to be right in front of your eyes. Okay, so right in front of your eyes, so that you get the center of focus in a straight line to your eyes and center of light, which is coaxial with your focus as well. Okay, you can move it up and down with this knob. If you need to bring it down, open it up. You need to bring it up, just tighten it up a little bit. Now the third adjustment is the interpupillary distance. So according to how wide apart your eyes are, you can slide these sliders to make sure you can see both of the pupils through these lenses in the mirror. The dark bit of your eye should be visible completely, just like it's given in the technical manual, which you should have got with your order. Once you've done that, then your light should be around the center of your focus. And if it's not, you can bring the scope closer to your nose, like that, and that should do the trick. So my working distance is around 23 centimeter, and I can see the center of my focus is kind of here and the light is right around it. I hope that helps, but if it doesn't, please do feel free to get in touch.